location. Yes, sir. Awesome. Thanks. Nice to meet you. Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
The doors, we have like a lot of bass, the door hinges go fall. And well, it gets hard to open, so everybody's relying on that. The ones I can't find the ones like that anymore because they had some metal in them.
Good? Yeah, I'd love to hear it. I'm just getting to walk around. I do a lot of videos. All right.
I pulled in, I said, there it is. There.
I'll come in.
Yeah, I'm trying to cool it down because Neos don't cool down as
They don't? Do they handle more power, but they don't cool down as well, or?
they don't cool down as whoops, because they don't have the mass of a motor.
Yeah.
So, and I meant to, they're pretty hot. I meant to bring my fan, but you know, I'm just
Having fun.
I'm like, nah, man, it's not gonna be that hot out here. But
How do you not break this? Do you have any
oh
reinforcement?
no, because I used to do Super Street 5 Plus, and everything was burp, sealed up. That's what I originally built this for.
Got it.
Music was a plus.
Yeah. Wow.
So this is like when I shaved the port down in 2012 before Daytona 2012.
Yep.
Broke the windshield at 62.8 at the time with the old ass ones.
Yes, sir.
And then I left it and I never messed with it since.
You never tried doing a roundover more? A better curve? No?
I'm too lazy when it comes to myself. I just do stuff for others.
Yes, sir.
Now, as I'm playing the bass knob, you know, I try to keep it up.
It's DJ Rusty. Real good.
It's 52 hertz, but this is like a 30.
That was like a 36 or something around there. Yeah.
But it's,
How do you not break this? Do you have any reinforcement?
No, because I used to do Super Street 5 Plus, and everything was burnt, sealed up. That's what I originally built this for.
Got it.
Music was a plus.
Yeah. Wow.
So this is like when I shaved the port down in 2012 before Daytona 2012.
Yep.
Broke the windshield at 62.8 at the time with the old ass ones.
Yes, sir.
And then I left it, and I never messed with it since.
You never tried doing a roundover more? A better curve? No?
I'm too lazy when it comes to myself. I just do stuff for others.
Yes, sir.
Scott
Bowman. Yes, sir. Awesome. Thanks. Nice to meet you. Yes, sir.
Glad you got here.
That's
this time you pull the handle and push.
So pull. Oh, all right.
Doors, bro.
Yes, sir. All right, man. You have a good day.
Thank you.
When we walk.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.